to my channel. It's your girl and I am clearly not home. I'm in this beautiful hotel in downtown Chicago. That is right, your girl is in Chicago. So I came here for an influencer event and to meet with other influencers and network. I think I said it in a vlog earlier this year that I wanted to network a little bit more, and I am staying true to my words. The hotel that I'm in is the Monaco. I think I'm in downtown Chicago. I don't really know where I am. I've never been to Chicago before, but I intend on living my absolute best life. You hear me? Absolute best life. This is the goal of the entire trip. Everything that brings me joy, everything that makes me happy, everything extra is going to be part of this trip, and I am very excited to take you along with me. First thing first, I need to get ready. We are gonna go out and take some pictures, and then there's happy hour, and then there's the influencer event, and then there is, I don't know, club life. It's a full day, and I feel like I'm already tired, but I'm gonna need to get myself together. I'm gonna need to start the day with energy level over here. By the time the night is over, I'm gonna be down here. So I gotta start strong. When it comes to packing, you might as well call me the packing queen. I feel like I've had plenty of time to practice the art of packing and also traveling light. So everything that I have is in these two bags. I love this bag because you can put a lot of stuff in it. It opens all the way through. And at first I thought that was weird, but it came in very handy to put all of my electronics, laptops, etc. And this is the main bag that have all of my clothes. I got these compressible bags where I can put all of my clothes and really stuff them in. I have 3 pairs of shoes because you already know. Makeup and of course tripod. Can't go anywhere without it. Alright, so this is what you see when you walk into the hotel. We'll start with the bathroom. Love this light. It's going to be great filming content over here. And I love the detailing with the tile. The rest is, you know, a bit of a usual bathroom. They did have some rooms that had a glass bathroom, but I have a whole story to tell you about how I switched room like 3 times. Still very luxurious, and I can live with a shower curtain, okay? Over here is the closet. I already put a coat in there. Moving on to the main room. I don't know why it looks so blue, but I'll fix it in a second. And this is basically what the room looks like, and I wanted to take a snapshot before, you know, I put all my stuff in it. Okay, first of all, I really want to talk about my luggage situation. I love it. The bed itself looks very cozy. It is a nice king-size bed, so don't mind if I do. Really like the pop of color. You guys know I'm not one for color, but it really works with the vibe of the hotel. And I love this sitting area. First of all, it's so comfortable. The sun coming in is amazing. I have a nice view of the river. I'll probably have to show you some other time when the sun isn't causing a glare. But you can see it, right? It's a really nice view of the city. And this is the reason why I moved a few times, because I wanted a nice view. It's just very beautiful, and I'm very grateful to be here. I am out the door. Oh, I just realized what a view that I'm giving you. Hopefully I can last in these heels all night. We'll see. We'll see. This color though. Good morning. Today is day 2 of Chicago, and we are getting ready to go to coffee. These girls are up so early. It's actually not that bad. It's 8:30 right now, and we need to be out by 9:15. So I am going to get ready. It is time to do my little morning routine, my hygiene routine. Even though I'm traveling, I want to keep the same consistency with the things that I've been doing at home, because I've been working really hard on having a morning routine that just comes to me naturally. I don't even have to think about it. This is what I do. So I'm training myself to learn something and for it to come second nature to me, so I don't want to break it when I'm traveling or for whatever reason. So I am going to still do my morning routine as if I was at home. That includes 10 minutes of yoga. Listen, we gotta start the day bright. Actually, it includes writing in my gratitude journal, 10 minutes of yoga, and then doing my hygiene routine, and that's how I get my day started, typically at home. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing now. That just reminded me that I do my gratitude journal the second that I wake up, and I haven't even done that yet. I picked up the camera first, so we're starting a little shaky, but we're gonna get right back on track. Let's go do that. This is kind of funny, but this is how I carry my vitamins. And it's pre-portioned, pre-packaged per day, every morning up until I leave. So for today, tomorrow, and Sunday. You gotta do what you gotta do, okay? I refuse to let traveling mess me up.
All this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? Share my bed. Oh,
Hello, we are back. We're doing this again. Let me fix myself. Oh no. Going out again tonight. This isn't the dress that I wanted to wear, but my other pants, the zipper in my pants broke, so whatever. I am feeling a little, I don't know, tired. Going out like multiple days in a row, I don't know if this is still part of my DNA, but I'm pushing through. It's the last night here, so I intend on enjoying myself. I also have a very early morning flight, so I doubt I'll get any sleep. Oh, what have I done? I completely just ruined my makeup. God, how do I fix it? Or do I even try to fix it? That's how things go wrong. Actually, I'm not gonna try to fix it. I'm just gonna add more mascara on the other side too. Everything's just very neutral today. The back of the dress is out. So it is like on the sexy side, but just very modest. And I kind of wanted it to be more. I'll see if I can give you an outfit of the night today. This is it. This is the dress. The dress is from Rw&co. I believe my bag is old. I don't know. I think it's Aldo. The dress itself is very pretty. Just very simple. It's like a sweater dress. And then the back is out. Sandals. This is what we're wearing. I think they are from Madden. All right, and this is it. Let's go out to dinner.